Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mehndi sketch. Before you begin, ensure your skin is clean and dry, free from any lotions or oils. This preparation helps your sketch adhere better and ensures a smooth application. You will need a fine-tipped sketching tool, like a white gel pen or a washable pencil, to create your initial design. Practicing on paper beforehand is a great way to refine your patterns and get comfortable with the flow. Now, let's create your design outline directly on the skin. Hold your sketching tool like a regular pen, applying minimal pressure. Begin with the main elements of your design, such as central motifs or borders, then gradually fill in with smaller details like vines, flowers, or paisleys. Remember to keep your lines light. The sketch is merely a guide for your henna application. With your sketch complete, it's time for the henna application. Hold your Mehndi cone comfortably, similar to how you hold a pen, and apply steady, gentle pressure. Begin tracing over your sketched lines, allowing the henna paste to flow smoothly. Work from the top of your design downwards to avoid smudging. Aim for consistent line thickness to ensure a beautiful, professional-looking result. After applying your henna, patience is key for a rich, dark stain. Let the paste dry naturally for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours, or even longer if possible. To enhance the color, you can gently dab a sugar lemon solution onto the drying henna. Once fully dry, carefully scrape off the paste. Do not wash it with water for at least 12 hours to allow the stain to deepen.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.